Hello guys, welcome to today's video. This site, I've been earning from this site so far, so I'll be working on how to earn from this site. So if making 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, or 10,000 is not too small for you, then this video is for you. So the first thing first you have to do is to click the link at the description. Once you click at the first link at the description, you take you to this point, which this interface you are seeing right now. So I'm going to walk us all through and every step by step which you have to follow. So the first thing, just make sure you watch this video to the very end. Don't skip any part, unless you have to come back to watch it again. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. So I haven't done that. So once you click the link, you'll be seeing this interface that needs sign up. Okay, so just go ahead to put in your number. So I'll just do that in a quick. So just put in your number here, and okay, once you put your number, go ahead to put your email and your password. So I'll just do that in a quick step. So once you are done putting your details, just your phone number, your email and your password, you go ahead to click on agree. Okay, you click on this agree with the red icon here. So once you click on agree, it will take you to this page. As you can see here, they're giving you a welcome bonus of just 100 naira. So that's good. You can go ahead to click on log to WhatsApp. All right, so I will guide us everything you have to know about this site. This site is just a way you can earn just by connecting your WhatsApp to this site, and that just you guys. Once you connect your WhatsApp to this site, you are good to go. There's no other thing. There's no stressful, no no referral required. Okay, so once you click there, these are the tasks you have to complete. Once you complete this task, these are the additional money that will be added to your balance. So first of all, you just have to do what complete this civil software, like this questionnaire. Click on check. So this question is just a simple question which you just have to complete and answer the question. They said the first one here is where do you know about the Goshare platform? This is the name of the site, Goshare. Okay, so you can click where you know it from. So if you're recommended from friend or family, so you can just go ahead to click recommended from friend and family, because after you're watching this video, you're recommended from a friend. Yeah, I'm also your friend. So the second question is here. They say, do you know that you can earn money by tax manually using WhatsApp on the platform? So you can go on. Yes, I know. Okay, but actually it's not a new thing. All right, so the next question here is do you know and have used USDT for payment? Okay, use okay, so just go ahead to pick all these and clicking here. So you can go here and select your age. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on this age bracket here. So your occupation, student, staff, wife, or employer, just click on others. Then when it comes to amount, you understand, always go with the higher pay. Okay, so that they will consider you legible. Okay, so after you've done that, you click on submit. Okay, so that's it. You go ahead to claim additional bonus from there by clicking that receive. So these are tasks you have to do. Okay, they said view the platform introduction. So this platform have a site they introduce about how the site really works, so you can go ahead to read everything. So this is the site, the platform introduction. I just click on it right now. So you just click on this next, because it's of four pages, as you can see below here. It's of 4 pages. All right, so I'll just go ahead and click on this next until I get the 4 pages exhausted. Okay, so once I click on it and take done, I'll just go back to the site again. Yeah, I'll go back to the site. I'll click on check. So okay, I'll just allow the time. There's a time down counting from this next. Okay, I'll just like to count down. So once it's done, each of them is done, I'll click on just hold on, let's view it finish, then we'll go ahead to claim our reward. So once you are done in the last four step here, just click on the next icon, which is next. As you can see, it says success. Make sure you have this icon tick success. You've done what they asked you to do. So you go ahead to click on this receive again. So this is just the first tip you have to do in this site. So once you've done it, you're not coming back again to do it. They're saying log in to WhatsApp successfully. So you can just click on check. Okay, so yeah, this is the main purpose of this site. Okay, so you have to link your WhatsApp to this site and just be active. Okay, so once you do that, there will be a sign here. This one they say no login. It will be showing online or offline depending on if you're online or offline. But we will make sure it's always online for you to actually in from this site. Okay. So first of all, let's go ahead to link our WhatsApp by clicking this login to WhatsApp, which I just click right now. So once you do that, you go ahead to click here. Okay. Click this icon right now. So once you do that, it take you to this point where you have to put your phone number. Okay. This is where you to put your phone number. Once you put your phone number, there will be a code that will be generate here. All right. So once the code comes up here, you copy that code and link it to your WhatsApp. Don't worry, I will show you how everything is done. Just keep watching this video to the very end. Okay. So right now, just put my phone number. So once you put the phone number, click on this get icon. Okay. So once you click on this get icon here, as you can see, it's loading to get to generate a code for me. So look at up here, I have something notification here. Okay, which is this one. So I'll just go ahead to click the notification right now. So let me take off this stuff. So I'll click on the notification here. So once I click notification, that means the code already have been generated. Just I have to link it to this my WhatsApp now. So I'll just click on the icon here, confirm. Okay. Once you click on confirm, you see here, you just click on use mobile data. Okay. So put on your fingerprint or your notification. Then that link that code that you saw there, that's all you'll be putting in. So let me go back to the site and get the code. The code say PVAD. Let me put it in PVAD. Then make sure everything is in capital letter, okay, the way it's here. So the last one is LSQ1. So let's go with LSQ. Okay, so once you don't put in the code, you see you start logging in by itself, all right? So just be patient a bit. So those I don't know if it will take more longer than this. So I'll just have to fast forward it. So once the next page pops in, I'll start from there, guys. Okay, guys, just right now, as you can see, it has linked to this account. Okay, as you can see, so I'll just go back there to the site and click on that site. Let me know what's next. As you can see now, once the thing links by itself, you'll be seeing here login successful. Yeah, okay. I don't know if you are seeing it. Let me change the color of this okay, those this login successful right now. So you go ahead to click on, and this is the number I use in doing. So I just click on got it. Okay, once you click on got it, as you can see, I've create an account for myself instantly. And you can see here, look at what I showed you earlier, is online now. So each time you have to make sure that this thing maintain this online, that you have not been disconnect from your WhatsApp. Okay, so don't disconnect it, because this is what generating money. The more you're online on WhatsApp chatting, the more you're making earnings from this site. Okay, so that's just the simple way about it. Okay, so right now this site will be generating money from me. So I want to show us other features, other way you can earn money from this site. So the next button here is the home button. Okay, so we're going to the home button to know what that page is all about. Then you can also click this video here to watch the video. This is the same thing I just explained here. So you watch the video to see the tutorial about for the title of the video, we proceed. Okay, I'll click on the home button right now, and this home button just like what I'm asked to do. That's what I did. Like the first one, they said complete a new user task. Okay, so which I've done that right now. So look at where I do right now. They said log into WhatsApp, which I just did. So the next step here is to link my bank details. All right, so I'll show you how to do that. And here is a refer a friend. So you can actually decide to refer a friend here or not. It's not compulsory. Okay, so because I've been earning from this, what did the end of the day, I'll show you how to withdraw. I'll show you my account which I'll withdraw from. So this is like a demo account I used to explain this video. Okay, so the next page here, I want good thing that the referral bonus is 318 naira per one person. Imagine if you can go ahead to refer 10 to 20 people, depending on how you can, you'll be earning more from this site. So this site is actually free. Just go ahead and click on this invite link. This is another way you can get a friend. Click on copy. As you can see, I just click on copy right now. It says copy successful, and you will be earning exact 3,800 for each referral you get. Okay, so as you can see here, there's no referral right now, and once the referral stays for 24 hours, which is a day, you get 600. You get 600. Well, if it stays for 48 hours, and if it stays for 72 hours, which is 3 days. Okay, so that's just the thing about this side is just the more you're online, your WhatsApp, and this is what you will do every day without knowing, and you keep earning. So that's just the sweet thing about it. So right now, go to this third icon here with the activity. Okay, go to this activity right now. This is where you do some little complete the task which you have been doing. Okay, so right now as a new baby bonus, yeah, you just click on this, the middle one, the new baby bonus here, and you keep accumulating some pay. As I see, I'll just click on this receive. Once I click on this receive now, I'll be getting additional 200. Okay, so it will be added to my balance. So I just open an account, so I have to wait for like 15 minutes in this account. Let them be sure that yes, I'm gonna be active. Okay, once I'm up to that 15 minutes for creating this account, I'll click on check. So this is what I'll come back again and receive. All right, so if at all I refer someone, I'll still get this one. And if anytime I initiate withdrawal, like I place a withdrawal, I will also earn extra money. Have you seen? This site is awesome. Okay, so that's just the two. You can also come here and do it. Then later on, the more you stay online, additional money comes up. How do you know that? Come to this continuous online bonus. So once you come here, click on this continuous online bonus. You see, I've just spent only 5 minutes on this site right now. So the more I spend, like if I just spend like 24 hours, which is a day, I get bonus 48 hours, 72, just continuous like that. This one doesn't end. Okay, they keep adding it. If you click on this mode, you see mode time, mode day, and so if you click on mode, it keep increasing like that. So that's to tell you, the more you're online, the more you come here, everything. You just like every day you come here and click on get um click on this task. As you can see here, it's just showing not yet because I've actually not completed 24 hours. So I'll come here by maybe by tomorrow and claim this one. Okay, so that's just it, guys. So every time about this site is just you earning. So let me go back to the previous page. So this is your team. So where is this where you can get your team bonus? So let's go to the last icon, which is me here. So that is me right now. I've gotten 400 in my bonus. All right. So once I reach a threshold of 1,000, I'll be withdrawn. Like probably tomorrow, self, I'll come to this site and withdraw. So I'll be showing you my main account, which I've actually withdrawn like 3 or 4 times. Okay, 3 times in this site. So guys, for you to withdraw from this site is very easy. You see this icon here showing initiate withdrawal. That's where you can place your withdrawal. Receiving amount, that's where you see all the amount you receive. And look at the record and other features there. So just click on this initiate a withdrawal. But before you change your order withdrawal, you put your account details. You buy your account details there by just clicking on buying um account. But this is a foreign site, so it's not a Nigeria site. So they are only working with your this is your mobile app, the OPay and what's it called, PamPay. So you can just go ahead to create an account with OPay or PamPay. So because I think that's the only account that will look at it here, the OPay and PamPay. Okay, so that's the only account they pay to as a Nigerian using this account with them. So I will go ahead to buy my account later because that's not hard. It's just you putting your name, account number, and select to pay or PamPay depending on the one you're using. So once you do that, you click on submit, and that's it, guys. So I'll just go ahead to show you how the withdrawal goes because for first time you must the first withdrawal is 1,000. They can't pay in case you have like 3,000 here. You can't just withdraw it once. You just withdraw 1,000. You can place another withdrawal of 3,000. Place another withdrawal of 5,000. Thus the withdrawal is by stage. You understand? The more you're active, the more you withdraw. So that's how it is. So when you withdraw 1,000, you will not see 1,000 again. The next one you see is 3,003. Just like that. So guys, that's just how this site works, and that's everything you have to know about this site, guys. So I'll just show you my withdrawal proof from this site right now. Let me just log into my initial account. So this is my initial account. I created that one for the purpose of this video. So as you can see here, this is my initial account. It will be showing online always. As you can see here, it's online. So and so far, let me click on this me. So far I've withdrew like, okay, I still have some balance like 1,002. Okay, 1,200. So thereby once I click on this withdraw right now, you can see my next withdrawal right now is 11,000. Abi, yeah, the next one is 33. So the next one is 55,000. So that means the next withdrawal will be open on this 11,000. That's to show that I've withdrew the 1,000. I've withdrew the 3,000, and now the 5,000 was one that just arrived today. Okay, which I'm showing you. I'll show you the withdrawal proof at the end of this video. So I've linked my account. I've linked my account with them here. Okay, so that was it, guys. What else am I not showing us right now? So once I click on this withdrawal, successful withdrawal here, so I'll just show you my withdrawal note here. Like this is the one I just withdrew today and it dropped. Okay, so look at the 5,000 right now. Look at the time, 11:58. Okay, I'm doing this video around 1:29. All right, so let me go to my OPay, which I use to link these accounts right now. So the 5,000 that just arrived, this is my um transaction. All of us using OPay know how transaction look like, and you can see here this was it that just arrived. So look at the date here, November 30th, and look at the time, 12, around 6 minutes after 12. So I'll just click on this for you to confirm here. That's it, and look at it here, as you can see here. So this site is paying, guys. This is my third withdrawal from this site. So I don't know that proof you need to know before you take action. And besides, I do drop all this in my WhatsApp groups in case for confirmation. If you want to join, the link to my WhatsApp group will be at the description of this video. Also with my Telegram community. I'm trying to locate my WhatsApp group. Maybe I've cut off the many. So okay, actually this is my WhatsApp group right now, which I've been dropping my updates so far. So this my WhatsApp group, so we'll drop updates here every day. So it's left for you to come join, because most time we drop updates here that have not been posted in this channel. So for you to be updated with us also, so you do where to join. So guys, let me be leaving us here, as I'll be dropping the next video very soon. So if you find value in this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, guys. Like this video, and see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.